'cause you got stuck in my mind, stuck in my mind, stuck in my mind. I thought I'd give.
Okay, I have found a product that I am super excited to design. So I found this shower curtain. Everybody likes to customize their bathroom. And so this is a really great product that is, rectangular in shape or square and is fairly easy to work with. The reason why I wanted you to pick a square product is because it basically has one set of dimensions. We already went over the fact that these are inches up here, but you can also, all of these products down below the description, they give an ideal image size in pixels. And so this is what you can use in Canva to create a design that is the appropriate size. Keep in mind that the width is always listed first, and then the height is listed second. But if you're putting in the numbers, you need to make sure if it's asking you for pixels, you've got to give it the pixel dimensions. If you have a custom design that you're doing and you have it set to inches, you need to give it this number up here. So those are the two numbers that we'll be dealing with. But anyways, I have already designed a Duke shower curtain. It's pretty basic. It just has the Duke logo that is tiled in a pattern shape, and I've already shown you how to align all your objects and get your logo set like this. But if I'm ready to actually export this graphic, I'm going to come up here in the top right corner of Canva, and I'm going to hit share, and then I'm going to hit the download button, and then from here I kind of have a choice. If I were to pick the PNG version of this file, that would allow for transparency, meaning that there would be no white in the image at all. It would just be the Duke logos, and then everywhere where the Duke logo is, in this particular graphic, you would just see nothing. It would just basically be empty blank pixels. But typically you want to, for this purpose, you want to do the JPEG option out of here. So I'm going to do this JPEG right here. I'm going to make sure that the quality is all the way up to 100 because I do not want this to look janky at all, and I want it to look really crisp and nice. So I'm going to do that all the way up, and then I'm going to hit download. Okay, that is going to start the Canva download process. It downloads the file to my computer. And you will see that the work that we did where we named the product up in this top right corner of Canva paid off, because now when I've downloaded this image, I can clearly see, oh, okay, there's the file that I need to upload. It's named what I need it to be named and all of those things. So that is the reason for why we did that. But now I'm ready to come over here in Artscow and actually create my product. So I'm going to hit the Create It button in Artscow. And there's two options here. You can actually hit the Add Image button. That's one easy way to do this. Or you can hit the Advanced Designer. Either one is fine. But I'm going to hit the Advanced Designer just so I can show you what that looks like. And it's going to load. Their tools are a little bit finicky sometimes, so just keep that in mind. And so if you do encounter errors, just let me know. But they do have a wide variety of products, which makes it pretty fun to actually design. So anyways, I am going to upload a photo in here. So here I'm going to click this upload photos. I'm going to come over here to add photos, and I am going to find that image that I exported out of Canva. And typically, if you haven't changed any of your settings on your computer, all of your files are going to automatically download to the downloads folder. So that's pretty easy to find, but you normally can just browse for your downloads, and then it normally groups them based off of like the most recent downloads are the first ones that you'll see in the list. So it makes it easy to find. So here I found the Duke shower curtain that I want to upload. So I'm going to click that file and hit open. And here you'll see that that photo is now being uploaded into Artscow. And so I'm going to click and drag that over onto my design. And you'll see, presto, it is the right size. It is exactly what I need it to be. So now I'm going to hit save as. There were some students that asked me, like, where did my work go? If you didn't save it in Artscow, it goes away. But it's pretty easy to recreate it if you need to. But for my purposes, I do want to come back to this because I probably will actually purchase this. It's only $25 and it's not a bad deal. So I'm going to go in here and type in Duke shower curtain. You can give it any name that you want to as long as you can remember it. It's saved in your account. Then I'm going to hit the save button. And now this product is in here. And then I should be able to hit the preview button so that I can actually see it once I am finished. But let's see what this does. It is done loading my design. Okay, so yes, so now I can hit preview and add to cart. So now I actually get the finished look of what this shower curtain would look like if I actually bought it. I'm going to view the larger image just so you can see how it's even showing how the rod holders or the pocket holes go up there and all of that. So if I were to add this to like a Facebook Marketplace, for instance, this is the picture that I would add to Facebook Marketplace, just so people can see the finished product of what you've actually created. They don't want to see it in Canva. They want to see it on the actual product. So I would right click here and hit save image and probably name it something. Let's go in here and I'm going to name it the Duke shower curtain. And there we go. I have a folder for all of my products that I've created. Duke shower curtain again. And then I'm going to hit save. And just like that, I have a picture of the product that I have created in Canva and in Artscow. Ta-da! Yay! Well, I hope I've helped you at least think creatively. Maybe I've helped you make some money. We'll see how it all works out. But nevertheless, I'm so glad you're designing with me. Have a great day, and I will talk to you soon. Bye-bye.
'Cause you got stuck in my mind, stuck in my mind, stuck in my mind.